Alright, let's take a look at a Zippo that I got from the Zippo truck today. And this one comes in the normal Zippo black box, and the label on this one says something Patriotic. Now the inside of the box says made in USA, of course by the Zippo company in Bradford, PA. Now this one is on a, looks like a street chrome finish, and it was made in J of 14. And the front of it, you can see, first of all, it's a two-part plate, and these plates mute the sound of the Zippo, so it's not really a crisp sound. Does fire up nice. And on this plaque, they call it a plaque, you can see there's an eagle, and that is the hand of the Statue of Liberty with the torch, and in back of that looks like stars and stripes on a flag waving there. So that is the something Patriotic Zippo. Pretty nice one. Good fire. And that one definitely deserves more cowbell. Knuckle bump.